5 warning signs your cat might be lonely and what to do. Hey there, fellow cat lovers. We all adore our feline friends, and we want them to live their best lives. But sometimes, it's easy to miss subtle signs that our cats might be feeling a little lonely. Today, we're diving into 5 key indicators that your cat could be craving more companionship. Plus, we'll explore some simple solutions to brighten their day. Is your cat suddenly chattier than usual? While some breeds are naturally more vocal, a sudden increase in meowing, yowling, or crying could signal loneliness. They might be trying to get your attention, hoping you'll come play or offer some cuddles. Listen closely to the context of their vocalizations. Scratching furniture is normal, but excessive or targeted destruction can be a red flag. Lonely cats might start tearing things up out of boredom or frustration. They're essentially saying, "Hey, I need something to do." This is especially true if the behavior starts when you're away from home. Keep an eye on your cat's food bowl. A lonely cat might overeat out of boredom or lose their appetite due to sadness. Significant changes in eating habits are always worth investigating. Consult your vet to rule out any underlying medical issues. Cats are meticulous groomers, but loneliness can throw their routine off balance. Some cats will overgroom, leading to bald patches or skin irritation. Others might neglect their grooming altogether, resulting in a matted or unkempt coat. Both extremes can indicate emotional distress. Has your independent cat suddenly become your shadow? Or has your usually affectionate cat started hiding and avoiding you? Both clinginess and withdrawal can be signs of loneliness. They're either desperately seeking attention or retreating into themselves. So, you've identified some potential signs of loneliness in your cat. What can you do? The good news is, there are plenty of ways to enrich their lives. First, dedicate quality playtime each day. Even 15 to 20 minutes of interactive play can make a huge difference. Consider providing puzzle toys to keep them mentally stimulated while you're away. These toys dispense treats as your cat plays. If possible, think about getting another cat. A feline companion can alleviate loneliness and provide endless entertainment. Finally, make sure your cat has plenty of vertical space to explore. Cat trees and shelves allow them to climb, perch, and observe their surroundings. Recognizing the signs of loneliness in your cat is the first step toward improving their well-being. By providing them with more attention, enrichment, and companionship, you can help them live happier, healthier lives. Thanks for watching, and remember to give your furry friend an extra cuddle today.